Alright, let's get straight to it. By the end of this video, you are going to know exactly how to take your first trade in the real market. No fluff, no confusion, just step by step, and I am going to show you everything. How to set up your platforms, how to analyze a trade, how to execute it, and how to withdraw your profits. Let's go. What is Forex trading? First things first, what is Forex? Forex is short for foreign exchange. It is the market where you are buying one currency against another, or selling one currency against another. Prices are constantly fluctuating. Sometimes the USD is stronger than the CAD, sometimes the pound is stronger than the USD. And in that fluctuation, there is price movement, and that is where we make our profit. When buyers push price up, we buy with them. When sellers push price down, we sell with them. Simple as that. The platforms you need two platforms to trade successfully. Platform number one is TradingView. This is where you analyze the market. This is where you see if price is going up or down. Go to tradingview.com.sign up for free. You don't need the paid version. Once you are in, click on Markets, then Overview, then select a currency pair like USD. Click See on Super Charts. Now clean up your chart. Make the candlesticks blue for up, red for down. Black borders and wicks. White background. This is your analysis platform. This is where you make your trading decisions. Platform number 2 is MetaTrader 5. This is where you actually execute the trade. Download MetaTrader 5 from the App Store, create a demo account to practice, and you are ready to go. How to analyze a trade here is the key. You need to know 2 things before you take any trade. Olin, what is the trend? Is the market going up or down too? Where is support and resistance? Let me break this down. If the market is making higher highs and higher lows, it is going up. If it is making lower highs and lower lows, it is going down. That is your trend. Trade with it, never against it. Next, support and resistance. Support is the floor. Resistance is the ceiling. Look left on your chart. Find areas where price has bounced multiple times. That is your support or resistance zone. If the market is trending down and approaching resistance, you sell. If the market is trending up and approaching support, you buy. Calculating your risk before you take any trade, you need to know how much you are risking. Go to babypipes.com. Use their position size calculator. Enter your account size. Let's say you have $5,000. You want to risk 5%, which is $250. Enter your stop loss in pips, let's say 50 pips. The calculator will tell you exactly what lot size to use. In this case, it is 0.5 lots. This is crucial. You always know your risk before you enter, executing the trade. Now let's execute. Open MetaTrader 5, go to quotes, find YERD, pap it, click trade, set your lot size to 0.5 from the calculator. Set your stop loss at the exact price from your TradingView chart. Let's say 1.06065. Set your take profit at your target. Let's say 1.03892. Now you are risking $250 to make $500. That is a 1 to -2 risk-reward ratio. If the market is trending down and you are at resistance, click sell. You are in. The trade is live. Managing the trade. Once you are in, you wait. That is it. Either price hits your take profit and you win, or price hits your stop loss and you lose. You already know your risk. You already know your reward. There is no emotion involved. If you want to close the trade manually, just tap the position, click close, and you are out. Withdrawing your profits. Let's say you made $500 on that trade. Your account is now $5,500. How do you get that money? Simple. Go to your broker's website, click withdraw, enter the amount, enter your bank details or crypto address. The money goes from MetaTrader to your broker account, then from your broker account to your bank. Most brokers process withdrawals within 1 to 3 business days. What if you don't have $5,000? Here is the beauty of trading. You don't need your own money. You can use funding companies. They give you access to accounts ranging from $5,000 to $200,000. You pay a small fee to take their evaluation, usually around $100 to $300. You pass the evaluation by following their rules, and once you pass, you get a funded account. You trade their money, you keep 80 to 90% of the profits. They keep 10 to 20%. No risk to your own capital. This is how I got started years ago. Your next step. Look. Trading isn't complicated, but it does require discipline. Now your trend. Find your support and resistance. Calculate your risk, execute the trade. That is it. That is the formula. If you want to go deeper and learn my exact strategy that lets beginners make $1,000 to $1,500 per week, click the link in the description. I'll show you the set and forget system that has changed hundreds of lives, but for now, you have everything you need to take your first trade. As always, manage your risk, trade smart, and I'll see you in the next one.